Accused of attacking two women with a tire iron, pleaded guilty in court today.
And if he was hoping for a break from the judge, he didn't get it. Fox 10 News reporter Renee Dials is here in the studio to tell us what happened in court.
Well, the defense attorney called it a slam dunk for the prosecution, and he wasn't too happy about it. But for the district attorney, the judge, and the witness who testified about the terrifying ordeal, it was justice.
Kenneth Jefferson was set to stand trial today for assaulting and robbing two women last February. The victims were attacked with a tire iron as they loaded groceries in their cars. Fox 10 News was on the scene when police arrested Jefferson several days after the attacks. He was driving the gold Ford pickup truck described by the victims. Before jury selection got underway today, Jefferson entered a blind guilty plea. The district attorney had offered Jefferson a plea that included a recommendation for concurrent life sentences in exchange for a guilty plea. He turned it down.
But he wouldn't agree to do that, and he thought he would get a better deal if he pled blind before the judge and, claim that he was a simple man, not mentally retarded or anything like that, but just a common man. But it didn't work.
District Attorney Ashley Rich says both victims are lucky to be alive. One of them testified before the judge. The second-grade teacher says the attack changed her life severely. She says she's terrified to go out at night. Judge Sarah Stewart told the victim nothing she could do could guarantee Jefferson would never get out of jail. But the judge handed down a sentence that might.
She gave him 4 life sentences, ran them consecutive and consecutive to the murder case, which is the maximum that he could have received by law. And so we are extremely pleased with what Judge Stewart did today.
Defense attorney Claude Patton wasn't happy about the maximum sentence, but he says he couldn't have won the case anyway.
The district attorney knows as well as I do there was no way to win this case. It was unwinnable. It was a slam dunk for them. A kid right out of law school could have won it.
The reason the sentence was so severe in this assault and robbery case was because Jefferson committed the crimes while he was out on parole for a brutal murder in 1982. He's got 20 years to serve on that conviction before he even starts serving each of the 4 life sentences he received today.